Let us talk about focus. I know you don't want to pay attention to me because I'm not the type of people who lives in Dubai or I have the fancy lifestyle, so you can look up to me and have the want of living like me. But I have made some money. Let me show you that, yeah, I have generated some money. You can see here that this is my Stripe account. There is some money there, like I have generated some money, like thousands of dollars. But if you don't want to pay attention, you don't. Doesn't matter. If you will, I want to teach you something about focus. And focus is a very interesting thing to talk about because I have made a video about hyperfocus, which is, you have your attentional space and your work needs to fill out all of your attentional space and that. But I don't want to talk about this, but I have to, and I want to talk about something else. And think about it like this. Think about this is you. This is you. This is a circle. And this is your focus. By you're channeling your focus to a direction. And think about this is your enemy, your opponent, your competition. And this is his focus. Or let's say that this is the length of 100% focus. This is 100% focus. This is 50% focus. This is you. This is competition. This is 50% focus. Let's say your competition focuses around getting clients. Getting clients. This is 100% of their focus where it goes. Let's say you focus 50% on getting clients and 50% keeping those clients. Who do you think will have a better success? Success, because success is different for everyone else, but who will make more money? You, who is focusing on 50% on keeping the clients, 50% on getting clients, and your competition is focusing on 100% on getting clients. Who do you think will achieve more in less time? Well, I think it's your competition, because if you channel your 100% focus to something, this is the win, the W, and you channel your focus 100% to getting that and achieving that, you're going to reach better and you're going to reach faster your goals. And this is easy to interpret, but it's getting complicated because we all have 100 units of focus. 100 units of focus. Think about this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not good. Let's say this is 5. This represents 20 units. And same. If you want to reach your goal, if you want to start, let's say, making 10k per month, you need to channel all this focus to 10k per month. But channeling 100 units of focus to one goal, to one achievement is really hard when you have a ton of bad habits. Like imagine this being your full unit of focus and you spend 20 units of your focus and energy to playing video games. Let's say you another 20 units of focus you spend it on scrolling, and this is almost half of your units of focus. And if half of your focus is not going towards your goal, which is 10k per month, then when will you achieve your goal? Because each day, each and every day, every kind of person wakes up with 100 units of focus. So what is the difference between you and someone who is making $1 billion in a year, sorry, or $1 million in a month? What is the difference? They are focusing all of their attention on their goal. They're putting all of their units of focus into one place. And this is really hard to understand because every tiny bit of thing takes away from your focus. Today I had a problem with my car and it was really annoying because I know that I spent my units of focus towards that thing, which is not making me get towards my goal. So what you need to focus on is using your focus at least 80% to your goal. You have to free your mental real estate. Because each day we wake up with full, 100%, but each problem we face or each thing we have in our days makes this less and less, which means that you cannot focus to your goal. Of course, you mustn't or you haven't or you shouldn't cut out your family or your girlfriend or something like this, but what you need to understand is that if you have 100 units and 20 units goes to video games, 90 units goes to scrolling, 5 units goes to eating, 10 units goes to girlfriend, 12 units goes to family. Like, how much do you have more? Like, how much do you have still to focus on goal? And the word that you need to use in order to achieve your goal is sacrifice. What are you willing to sacrifice from your focus to achieve your goal? This is your goal. This is your goal. This is you. You want to get there. Let's say this is a time horizon. It's 3 months. It's 3 months to get to your goal, which, let's say, $1,000 per month. Let's say this is 3 months time or work for you. Now, this is only achievable if you put at least 80% of your units there to achieving your goal. If you put 100%, this will be easier. It will be 2 months. And let's say you have a bigger goal, which is 10K per month. And it will take you around 60 or 24 months by 80% of units of focus there. But with 100% it could take 12 to, let's say, 18 months. It all comes down, what are you willing to sacrifice in order for you to achieve your goals? Now, how can you do this? Is by analyzing what you do on a daily basis. You need to write down what are your habits. What are you doing daily? Let's say you do the maintaining life is needed. Going to the bathroom, eating, maintaining life. Let's say this is 20 units. Then, what are you also doing? Video games, scrolling. Let's say this is 12 units. This is 60 units. Just existing, doing nothing. This could be also 8 units. And rest, which all comes up to 100 units. What are you willing to sacrifice from your habits, from your daily habits, so you can at least put 80 units to your work, to your goal? Now this could be hard to understand or easy, it doesn't matter. In order to sacrifice, in order to achieve your goal, you need to sacrifice. What do I mean by this is that without sacrifice, your goal is going to be sacrificed. Like, there is no such thing that you having bad habits will get you to your goal in a short time horizon. Of course, in a long period you will get there, but the question is how much time. So yeah, I think this is the video. I wanted to quickly do a video. And yeah, I have a free product, which is how I made $6,000 with less than 1,000 followers. It's up, it's in the link. The link is up in the description or down in the description below. And yeah, see you later.